Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am Fabiha Noor, your maths teacher. I am going to present maths lesson of class 4. So class 4 students, welcome to online classes of Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Our unit name is fractions and the objectives of lesson are, by the end of lesson, students will be able to define unit fractions and proper fractions. Dear class, you have already learned about fraction in previous lesson. So tell me, what is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Here 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 5 are examples of fraction. You have already learned upper part of a fraction is called dash. Upper part of a fraction is called numerator and lower part of a fraction is called dash. Lower part of a fraction is called denominator. Our topic name is types of fraction and today we will discuss only two types of fractions. One is unit fractions and second is proper fractions. Okay, dear class, tell me, here is a shape. How many parts are there in given figure? You can see there are 1 and 2. There are 2 parts. Out of these 2 parts, one part is shaded. So the fraction will be 1 by 2. Here is another shape. How many parts are there in given figure? You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts and out of 6, one part is shaded. There are 6 parts. Out of these 6 parts, one part is shaded. The fraction will be 1 by 6. So definition of unit fraction is a fraction with the numerator 1 is called unit fraction. वो फ्रैक्शन जिसमें न्यूमरेटर 1 हो उस फ्रैक्शन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 100, 1 by 8, 1 by 60 are unit fractions. Proper fractions. Here is a figure. How many parts are there in given figure? You can see there are 12 parts in the given figure. Out of these 12 parts, 6 parts are shaded. So the fraction will be 6 by 12. So the definition of proper fractions is fractions in which the numerator is less than its denominator are called proper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is less than its denominator are called proper fractions. वो fractions जिनमें numerator denominator से छोटा हो उनको हम proper fractions कहते हैं. For examples, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 7 by 8, 6 by 9 are proper fractions. Here is an activity for you. So get ready, dear class. Tell me which shape represent unit fraction. Here are two shapes. Here is figure 1 and here is figure 2. You can see in figure 1 there are 9 parts, and out of 9 only one part is shaded, so the fraction will be 1 by 9. But in the second figure, 3 parts out of 9 parts are shaded, so the fraction will be 3 by 9. And first figure represent unit fraction. Now tell me which shape represent proper fraction. Here are figure 1 and figure 2. You can see in figure 1, out of 8 parts, 1 part is shaded, so the fraction will be 1 by 8. And in second figure, out of 8 parts, 4 part is shaded, so the fraction will be 4 by 8. And you can see second figure represent proper fractions. It's time to recap our lesson. So dear class, tell me, the fraction with the numerator 1 is called dash fraction. The fraction with the numerator 1 is called unit fraction. वो फ्रैक्शन जिनमें न्यूमरेटर 1 हो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. In a fraction, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, किसी फ्रैक्शन में अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा हो तो हम उसको क्या कहेंगे? इट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. 1 by 6, 1 by 9 are dash fractions. 1 by 6, 1 by 9 are unit fractions. You can see 3 by 7 is a dash fraction. Here 3 is smaller than the denominator, so the fraction is proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the denominator is, किसी भी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो हमेशा न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा होता है. सो इन अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द न्यूमरेटर. हियर इज योर होमवर्क. Learn the definitions of proper fractions and unit fractions and write any 2 examples of unit fractions and proper fractions. Thank you so much.